Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a kiss press-on nail tutorial. So yes, these are my birthday nails. As you can tell by the title, my birthday was actually yesterday, Sunday, November 14th. So yeah, I figured I will show you guys how I did these pretty nails. It was quick, simple, easy. I love Kiss nails for that. They make it so easy. It's very affordable, and they have so many to choose from that look like salon quality. So before we get into this tutorial, I just need you to give this video a thumbs up, share, like, comment. If you have not already, subscribe to my channel. And I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate you all for coming and taking the time out of your day to watch my video. So, y'all, I'm not gonna drag this on. Let's get into the video. What's up, everybody? Let's get right into it. So here are just some of the things that I used. I have some alcohol, a bowl, some lotion here from Bath and Body Works, nail polish remover, cuticle pusher, and here are the nails that I did use. These are from the Kiss Masterpiece collection. It doesn't have a name, but it did have a number. So, but hopefully you can see how the nails look. So if you want to purchase it at the store, and of course I have some Q-tips and cotton balls. So right now I'm just, as you saw, I just clipped my nails down just to clean them up a bit. And I'm actually going to take the nail file that came in the pack, and I'm going to use that to even out my nails and also file the size. Anytime I'm doing press-ons, I like to file the size of my natural nail so that they're not showing underneath the press-on nail. Okay, so normally I would buff and push and do all that before I actually soak my nails, but I had actually did a press-on set previous to this, so I had some glue and some gunk all over them, so I kind of wanted to soften all that stuff up before I actually just push back my cuticles and clean them up. So as you saw, I soaked my nails each hand for about 5 minutes, and now I'm just going in with my cuticle pusher, and I'm just gonna clean up my cuticles, push them back, and I'm also gonna start to scrape, like I said, the glue and all that gunk that I had on my nails. So you can see it there. And then I'm gonna buff and smooth out my nails. Alright, so once I have my nails all smoothed out, I'm just taking some nail polish remover and I'm just gonna clean the nails off. You could re-soak your hands if you want, but honestly I didn't feel like doing that, so that's why you see me doing just cleaning off with the nail polish remover. And before I actually apply the nails, I am going to add some alcohol. So anyway, I have a towel there, and I use a little paper that comes in the press-on pack, and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to be using it for. And I also put a Q-tip to the side. So now I'm just going to choose the nails that match my nails. So I have all my nails there to the side, and I'm actually using the glue that comes with the nails, the pink glue here. It's really good quality glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And the paper card thing that comes in the nails right here, I'm just actually using that to rest the glue on, so that it doesn't make a mess. So all I'm doing is putting about 1 to 2 drops of the nail glue onto the press-on nail, and about 1 drop on my natural nail. And then I'm going to press the artificial nail onto my natural nail and hold that for about 15 to 20 seconds. And here you just see me filing down the pinky nail. The one that I actually chose was a little bit bigger than my pinky nail, so I just had to file down the sides and the corners just a little bit so that it would better fit my natural nail. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Q-tips. Since these are clear nails and you can see everything underneath them, I'm just gonna wipe off some of that excess glue so that it looks even. It's always a good idea to have some Q-tips or even cotton swabs to the side or just right next to you as you're gluing on your nails, because you definitely want to get up that excess glue right away before it dries so that you don't have any dry glue or any white stains on the side of your nail. Okay, so a few tips when just to make your press-on nails last longer. Within the first 24 hours, you definitely want to try to avoid putting your hands in water for at least the first 2 hours. Yeah, just so you can give that glue a chance to bond to your nail. And then another tip is anytime you are putting your hands in water, or you know, you're working with maybe cleaning products or something like that, you definitely want to wear dish gloves or some gloves to protect your hands. And another tip is if you start these nails usually last 2 weeks. I mean, even for me, a mom, my hands are always in water and things like that. I use my hands a lot. So, I mean, these nails will definitely last you for up to 2 weeks if you take care of them really well. So, but if you do notice that your nails start to lift at the cuticle or at the sides, you definitely want to remove the nail. You know, you can use the same nail, just make sure you clean it up with maybe some alcohol. Make sure the nail is dry before you reapply it, or to be honest, just put a new nail on. But you definitely don't want to have any of your press-on nails lifting, because that's just a gateway for bacteria and things like that to get on your nails. So those are just a few tips that I had that I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm just gonna let you guys sit back and relax the rest of the video.